Hey guys, welcome to video number 2 of the Go Kart builds. In this video, we have my friend James here,
Hi.
who almost spent the whole summer in China.
Yeah, I spent about 6 weeks there, actually.
And in this video, we are going to tear apart this Go Kart so we can modify it. For example, build the front A-arm suspension. So let's get started. We're going to start by taking off the brush guard, and once the brush guard is off, we're going to put it onto sawhorses and then take the rest of it apart. So let's get started. Now that we got the roll cage off, let's put this thing on sawhorses. Alright guys, sorry that we didn't do too much talking in the video. It's just that this thing has been a nightmare to take apart. It seems like everything has been power wrenched on. All the threads were all gummed up and just been kind of belly bobbed together. We got the wheels, tires, and shocks off. So all we have to do is take off the rear spring arm that will move to the front. So let's get started. Alright, now let's flip this thing around and work on the front. There we go.
Got it?
Yeah. have this just down to a bare frame now.
And this video took a lot of work just for me and my friend to finish it up to this bare frame. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and click that notifications bell to see more videos in the future.
See you guys in the next video.
Bye!
I am the mighty penguin.
We should have made bloopers. Yeah, but
We usually have
still
bloopers.
Oh, we do?
Yeah. We have all tons of bloopers.
Sorry.
Are we not going to take the tools?
Yeah, you probably want to take the tools.
Oh.
Slow motion.
Okay.
Nope, step back up.